Hello, my name is Falashade Olatunji, and my presentation focuses on Da Nang, Vietnam, and environmental pollution of dioxin in the region. The purpose and objective of this presentation is to provide a context for dioxin poisoning in Da Nang, to highlight its effects on the environment and health, and to discuss the health implication of dioxin in the region. Here are the table of contents. We shall be discussing the purpose, the context of dioxin pollution, the distribution of dioxin poisoning, and the public health effects of dioxin on the population in Da Nang. Dioxins and dioxin-like compounds were contained in what was known as Agent Orange, which was sprayed by the US military from 1961 to 1971 to clear jungle hideouts of Vietnamese soldiers. An estimated 80 million liters of this deadly defoliant is believed to have been sprayed over 30,000 square miles of Vietnamese territory. Here is a map showing the distribution of dioxin pollution. Here we can see that the Da Nang Air Base is a key study area for dioxin pollution. This is the region where most research studies are taking place. Here is a table and a bar chart showing us the level of dioxin in the soil and sediment. So here are some key areas that reported to have very high concentrations of dioxin in the soil. In the center of the Da Nang Air Base, 365,000 concentration of dioxin was found in the soil. And we can see that also in the former storage area of the airbase, 106,000 was recorded in that area. And the bar chart also shows us this. So we want to know what the public health effect of the dioxin, is. And it's very, very well known that the chemical stays in the soil and settles at the bottom of lakes and rivers for generations. And it was later found to be the cause of damaging of genes and several deformities in offsprings of exposed individuals. The Vietnam Red Cross estimates that 2.1 to 4.8 million Vietnamese were directly exposed to this poison, and is being shown to be linked to cancers, birth defects, and several other chronic diseases since the end of the war. And so this is showing us, just a summary of what I just said. But this was a research done by Giang et al. In 2019 that showed us that out of 10,000 live birds in that area, 384.4 had congenital abnormalities. So, in summary, this is a very brief explanation of what is going on in that area of Da Nang, Vietnam. This presentation has shown us the key area, which is the air base, which is highly contaminated with this dioxin and is known as a hotspot for dioxin in that region. The air base and its surrounding is highly polluted, and very high concentrations of dioxin has been found in the soil in that area. Ingoe et al. Report shows that the amount of dioxin found in the soil was 365 times higher than the globally accepted standard, which is 1,000 parts per trillion. Several studies have also shown that there has been an association of dioxin and congenital abnormalities in children born in that region. So what is the government and public health agencies trying to do about it? Currently, there are remediation of the Danang site in an effort to decontaminate the area, in a hope that, that area will be, very good for living, and you would see like lower issues in public health in that area. So I hope this presentation has brought to light some of the issues in that area, and I hope this was very helpful. Thank you very much for listening.